Finally, the top bamboo steamer is the HAPPI Studio Premium Dumpling Steamer Basket. This ultimate bamboo basket combo is well worth considering if you're looking for a high-quality kitchen appliance to aid you in perfectly steaming food. This unit comes with a food-grade 304 stainless steel steamer ring that fits securely on any pot from 8 to 11 inches. The bonus reusable bamboo steamer liner is a great addition, ensuring your food won't stick to the basket. This steamer basket is extra deep, allowing you to steam more food from vegetables to sticky rice. The adapter ring included also prevents the basket from scorching. Steaming with this basket helps retain most of the vitamins while keeping the flavor and texture of your food. It's perfect for cooking chicken, fish, broccoli, and other leafy greens, making it a healthy meal prep option. The two-tier stackable design is made of strong and durable bamboo, making it an organic alternative for more sustainable living. The basket is easy to clean and care for. After each use, rinse it quickly and ensure it's completely dry before storing it away. This steamer basket is an excellent investment for anyone who enjoys traditional Asian-style cooking. The premium stainless steel steamer ring and reusable cotton cloth liner add additional bonuses to the product's value. It also comes with a 30-day guarantee, making it an ideal gift for your friends and family. So, if you want a high-quality bamboo steamer basket that can reliably create a range of perfect and delicious dishes, this is the product for you. Its pros are: it has extra depth, allowing for steaming larger portions of food at once. It has a reusable cotton cloth liner that prevents food from sticking to the basket. It can be used with a variety of pots and pans, and it comes with a food-grade 304 stainless steel steamer ring for added durability. However, it is not dishwasher safe, which may be inconvenient for some users. The HAPPI Studio Premium Dumpling Steamer Basket is a brilliant cooking accessory for any household. It's made with high-quality materials and has a larger capacity than most, making it more suitable for daily use. It is highly recommended for cooking enthusiasts looking to add more variety to their dinner times. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.